Hey everyone, so welcome back for part 2 of the solar kiln build. I'm really excited about getting this done. I can't wait. So in this video, what I'm going to be doing is putting on the front and back additional rim joists of the floor frame, and then I'm going to work on building the back wall.
We might be young at heart, we're still dreaming, eyes wide open. We leave this place behind, no matter what they say. Yeah, 'cause we're stronger than iron. We won't let them break us down. Now we're heading over the clouds, 'cause we're walking on air, walking on air, feeling high over the surface. Walking on air, yeah, we're walking on air, walking on air, going way beyond the horizon. Walking on air, ain't gonna come down. Oh 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 oh. Ain't gonna come down. Oh 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 walking on The sky has opened up. We start our engines, count down from 10. Kiss the sun goodnight and go where no one goes. Yeah, 'cause we're chasing desires up above the city lights. Yeah, we're burning like fire now, 'cause we're walking on air, walking on air, feeling high over the surface. Walking on air, yeah, we're walking on air, walking on air, going way beyond the horizon. Walking on air, ain't gonna come down. Oh 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 yeah yeah oh 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 oh. Ain't gonna come down. Oh 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 oh. Walking on air. They won't reach us. No, they can't touch us. Ain't gonna come down. They won't reach us. No, no, no. They can't touch us. Walking on air.
Alright, so I'm going to show you what I did here in order to make this a little bit easier to put this wall together. So this is going to be the large rear wall where the two large doors will be in this big opening area here. So what I did, as you can see in the video, I clamped the two side frame pieces to the floor frame and then just assembling the whole thing right off of that. And it's actually making it quite, starting to put together the top frame. I got all of the smaller pieces that go up to the top here already cut out, so I'm gonna go ahead and put all those in there now. From there I'm gonna have to cut the framing for the rest of it, and then I'll build the doors separately. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that. I'm just gonna go check my plans for the proper spacing for those boards and lay it out and nail them in. Okay, so we almost have the rear wall frame finished. We have the upper part of the rear wall where the vents are going to go all done. We've got the header for the double doorway all in and done. That is I had to go run down and grab two 14-foot 2x8s and cut it down to 157 inches. Then as you saw, I nailed them in place and then screwed them together, and I had to kind of screw them together. I kind of had to use a clamp over here to get it perfectly straight because the boards weren't 100% perfectly straight. By using the clamp, I was able to pull it in and get it nice and straight. So then the only part left I have now for this rear wall are on either side. I need to put in 3 2x4s 70.5 inches long on either side, and then once I do that, then the door frame is complete and the complete framing of the rear wall will be done. But I'm going to go ahead and finish this rear wall up and put the 2x4s on either side to get that done, and then we'll start working on the front wall. So we got the rear wall completely assembled and finished. So the next video I will be working on assembling the other walls. Anyways, I appreciate you everyone following along in this this build. It's a lot of fun for me. I've been having a blast. The weather's been great, so it's been working out really well, and I'm really looking forward to having it done. So anyway, if anyone has any questions, feel free to put some comments down in the comment section below. I do have plans for this, so if anyone's interested, I am going to try to get them over to our website. We do have a new website now, dylanswoodworks.com, and it's still a bit in progress, so bear with me on that, but I am going to try to get some of the plans that I've done in the past as well up on that website as well, so people can download them. I really appreciate you watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like button down below, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified when we put out new videos. Take care. We'll talk to you soon. Happy woodworking.
La 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 la. Happy woodworking. La la la.